Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Roha's Art. I am gonna paint an abstract painting today. Stay with me till the end, and I will tell a story today. So here I start my story. Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a mystical forest, lived a beautiful young maiden named Rapunzel. Ever since she was a small child, she had been hidden away in her tower home, for her home was nestled deep in a forest, and only the birds and the beasts knew of her existence. The only company she ever had was her mother, but that's not her real mother. She is a witch who kept her in the tower so that she could never escape. One day, a handsome prince wandered deep into the forest and stumbled upon Rapunzel's tower. He was so taken by her beauty that he vowed to free her from her prison and vowed to make her his bride. The prince searched all around the tower until he found a long, golden braid that was hanging from the window. He called up to Rapunzel, and she spoke to him in a beautiful voice. He begged her to let him climb up her hair to the tower, and she agreed. The prince climbed up the long braid of Rapunzel's hair, and when he reached the top, they see each other, and then two fell in love. They vowed to never be apart, and decided that they would leave the tower and the forest together. When the witch found out, she was furious. She used her dark magic to make Rapunzel's braid disappear and cursed the prince to wander the forest forever. But Rapunzel and the prince were undeterred. They managed to find a way out of the forest and were soon married. Rapunzel and her prince lived happily ever after, a shining example of true love's power to overcome any obstacle. And even though her braid had disappeared, it didn't erase the love the two shared, a love that time could not touch. The end. I hope you all like the video. Do like, share and comment. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and don't miss any of my video.